Good afternoon everyone, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick one folks, before I set off to the wonderful island of Anglesey. Just time for a quick soup. Right, here we go everyone. This is another from the new Covent Garden Soup Company. And this is tomato and basil. And again, I believe this was £1.15 from Morrisons. I have seen them dearer in other places. It's a Mediterranean classic, a simple yet mouth-watering combination of juicy sun-ripened tomatoes, aromatic basil, seasoned with a pinch of salt and black pepper. The soup gives you a refreshing boost. I've done it on the hob. It's a source of fibre. For over 30 years we've been obsessing over the naturally good fuel that is a bowl of soup. Our passion is for classic recipes and store-cupboard ingredients. We are satisfying, simple, healthy, we are convenient, we give you all you need, uplifting, delicious soup. It's guaranteed to put a spring in your step. The nutritional information is there folks. So let's take a look. I've done it on the hob, and I've also got a nice, I think it's a sourdough bread roll to go with it. So it's all down to the taste folks, as always. And here we go. Let's try some of this bread roll to start with. The bread is from Lidl as well, it's lovely. Right, what's the soup like? The tomato is lovely, really nice taste, it's got the sweetness. You've got the sweetness of the basil coming through. Again, for me personally, it lacks a little bit of seasoning. I'm just going to add some black pepper. To see if that makes the difference. That actually makes a lot of difference, it really does. It's quite a cold day today here in the Shire. And to be honest, I'm not expecting it to be much warmer when I get down to Anglesey. And that's lovely. With that extra bit of black pepper, it's made all the difference to this. Comforting, warming, very, very tasty. The addition of basil works so well with tomato. I know a lot of people don't like it, but it is very, very nice. You can't beat a bit of good old peasant food. Really is nice. There it is, folks. Piping hot, as you can see. Very, very tasty and very filling with the bread roll. Would I buy it again? Yes, I would buy it again for sure. Is it worth £1.15, which I think that's what I paid for it. I have seen it as high as £1.75. But even then, this is a lovely soup. You could make it yourself. I'm quite sure. And maybe you could do it cheaper. But for the convenience and the taste of this, it's amazing. The new Covent Garden Soup Company. Very good indeed. Because I had to add a little bit of extra black pepper, I will score this one 8 out of 10. Because overall, it's very, very good. Right, folks, I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen. If you have, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the box below, hit the bell icon for any future uploads, and if you've not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. Won't cost you a penny, helps the channel grow, and we become part of that bigger community. Right, I'm going to get myself ready now and get off to Anglesey. So, tomorrow I'll speak to you from North Wales and the beautiful island of Inniscubby. Namaste, everyone. Have a brilliant Tuesday evening, and thank you again for being here. Bye for now.